What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Bluetooth cutting issue in hyperos. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down this white circle, and when the circle gets green, then you can release your finger to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, it will fix the Bluetooth cutting issue. But if you're still facing the issue, then open settings, scroll down, and here tap on apps, and then tap on manage apps. Now go to the search bar and search for Bluetooth app. Now open the app and then go to its storage. Now clear the cache memory of Bluetooth app. So to clear it, tap on clear data and then select clear cache. Now tap on OK to confirm. And after clearing the cache memory of Bluetooth app, the Bluetooth cutting issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the Bluetooth cutting issue in hyperos. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.